Hello guys, welcome back and wait. What's the warning? There's no way a command block can explode. Oh. Alright, hello everybody, and today we are playing Minecraft in the new Snapshot, and we're actually going to be doing a tutorial. So instead of all my mini games, I don't have Redstone World, so I guess we'll go ahead and create just world named Redstone, creative, super flat, presets, Redstone ready, done, structures off, and create new world. Alright, so today I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be showing you /tellraw. So let me give myself the stuff needed, and I shouldn't have to pause too often to go look up stuff, but we'll see. Alright, the basics. And even that is too basic. There we go. Basics. It says hi, and it says, it has nothing in front of it. It's not saying anybody who's... God dang it, I turned on my auto flicker. Okay, so now, /tellraw, and now a bit more complicated. Add a text. Hi. Apparently I turned on caps lock too. Anyway. So that's a bit more complicated, but it does but it does the same thing. Now, the reason you want to do this with the brackets, these squiggly brackets, is because this is where you actually start doing stuff. This is just one example of what you can do extremely basically. You can do kind of colored font by people that aren't actually on, like this. For one, so yeah, you could do that. And then, to be a bit more complicated, you can do this. Color, and then yellow, because, of course, Guy likes butter. So there we go. So you could actually use this for adventure maps, kind of, you know, change this to... adventure map. I am speaking in an adventure map. No, he actually isn't, because he actually isn't on. Oh my god, look at that, it's single player. Anyway. So, that's fairly basic. Now, if you want just Sky the Kid RS as yellow, you could do this. Make sure you have a space, because if you add another text, then it doesn't automatically add a space. So, color yellow. Here's where it gets kind of complicated, and where you do everything else except for the initial text. You do extra. So, also leave in the comments if you like me typing it out as I go, or if you want it preset. Because a lot of people do it preset, but I think it'd be kind of cool to type it out and explain it as you're going. So now, Sky the Kid RS is going to be yellow. And now extra, bracket, square bracket, because multiple things can be in it. Google bracket to enter a single thing, and that multiple thing previously stated. Then here will be text. This is what I am actually saying. And then you can add color white, otherwise it stays as yellow. White, like wheatens, yeah. And then again, that's fairly basic. Now let's get into something a bit more complicated. Now, still inside the text bracket, you want to add, well, you can add a thing like, For now, we'll just do hoverEvent, and then squiggly bracket, action. Okay, there's action show underscore text, and there's show item. I'm not quite sure what show item is, but show text is kind of like lore. You'll see. Value is, this is what I am actually saying. And then close that, and then close the action, and then everything else is already there with the brackets. See, already it's getting kind of long. Anyway, so now it looks like it does the exact same thing, but when you hover over it, it says a lore. Now that can be useful in other stuff. Anyway, so now we can add a clickEvent. And also, if you're watching this, you may want to rewind and see that capitals in this code does count. It can't be lowercase e in the event. So now let's add another bracket. Action run underscore command. I'm not sure what else there is in clickEvent, but anyway. And then value. I actually want to test this. That's right. Then the value is /say hi. Pretty simple, but anyway, let's close that bracket too. Done. This is what I'm actually saying. Now if you hover, it says, this is what, and if you click, it says /say hi. Now I want to test something. I'm going to see if you can add multiple values here. /say, this is test. No, it just goes with the second one. That's actually kind of weird. I guess you could also add another. Okay, I'm gonna test around here, and if it works, then it'll be useful. Yay! clickEvent, adding another clickEvent. Action run. No. Quotation mark, run underscore command, quotation mark, value is /say, this is another test. And then I have to close that action too. Okay, lores, this is another, yeah, it goes with the second one. So I guess if you want to, add a, so now it'll just say hi. Yeah. So I guess if you want to add multiple commands in one click, you can do a wireless redstone kind of thing. Now, because I can, I'll show you that. Scoreboard, objectives, add wireless. I actually showed you in my Redstone on the Mobsco course, didn't I? Anyway, wireless dummy. Now, you can set that instead of /say hi, you can do /scoreboard players. Players set at A to wireless to 1. Now, /scoreboard objective set display sidebar wireless. Now, if I click this button and type that, it'll change my wireless score to 1, and how you would actually make that do other stuff. Give at P repeater. Give at P redstone. And I also need a redstone torch, don't I? Then you could make this on a fast clock if you want to. Now, the reason I don't really implement clocks is because I don't like to implement clocks. Because I think that comparator, maybe it's just comparator. Because I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure they slow things down. So, scoreboard. Players. Set at A. Wireless. Yeah, wireless. Wireless to 0, so it doesn't stay on forever. Oh, I didn't actually put anything in here. Test for at P with a score underscore wireless equals 1 score underscore wireless underscore minimum equals 1. So it has to be exactly 1. And now now it'll do it. See, now it sets it to 0 and it also keeps going. You could also have a whole bunch of other commands here. So yeah, not exactly in that order. But yeah, that's how you do wireless redstone in vanilla using scoreboard. Again, I don't like using clocks, but sometimes you have to. So again, it'll set it. Now if you click it again, which you can't actually do, it'll set it to 1. It won't add 1, so that's good. Anyway, so now let's do another cool thing. Which, you know, I'm just gonna... time to delete almost everything! You know what? Let's delete everything. There we go! /tellraw at A text. Now, I saw this in the comments of one of Dragnoz's videos, and I actually wrote this out, so I'm gonna rewrite it as kind of the final thing. This is like the top level. It's pretty complicated. Text. Which enchantment would you like? Space, close, color, gray. I like adding colors even if it's gray to text because it stands out more than just plain white. So now extra text. I always put just anyway. Enchantment 1. You can actually change this to an enchantment. I just did something else with it instead. I did hoverEvent. hoverEvent is action show text value. I think I put this as like sharpness or something. Sharpness 5. And also you could use this as a handy-dandy feature because in like an adventure map, because it could tell everybody with a score, with a kill count or death count or whatever, whatever you want. So we hoverEvent show value sharpness, close that. If anything, I hit backspace, not exit. Anyway, and then color, you can put this red or blue. I'm doing red. And then, here we go. clickEvent. Action. This is actually getting into more specifiers. Action run underscore command. I'm just gonna pretty much end it here and see if so far what I've done is good. Action run command value /give at p diamond underscore sword. Now that closes the action, that closes the text, that closes the whole extra, and that closes the whole thing? Wait, what? Okay, let's find where the extra colon is. Or non-colon. clickEvent, value, action, show text, hoverEvent, text. Ah, there we go. Now, so far it's good. Give you good. So we're good so far. Now we want to give them one of a diamond sword with a whatchamacallit value of 0, which means just kinda, normal. Here gets the complicated part. Enchantment. This is actually kind of getting into another tutorial, giving enchanted and stuff like that items. I'm not gonna put a name on this. I'll make a whole video about stuff like that. And ID is 6. I think 6 is sharpness. LVL is level 5. Then nope. Need a squiggle. I need a squiggle. Well, not this kind of squiggle, but squiggle bracket. And then close that squiggle bracket. Close big bracket. Close enchantment. Done. Press. Now it gives me a sharpness 16. Yep, there we go. Sharpness 5, diamond sword. And if you scroll over it says sharpness 5. Now, to add another thing. So that closes the action. Correct? And that closes the whole text. Yeah, because I want to add another text. Text. Space. Enchantment 2. And that is color blue, because the other one was red, right? Yeah. Color blue. hoverEvent is action run underscore command. The value is... I don't run... No. hoverEvent isn't run command. hoverEvent is show underscore text. Value is smite. Just for this I'll use smite 5. You could do any enchantments you want, by the way. But again, go into more detail of that later. Close the action. Close the text. And test. I knew something wrong. Invalid JSON. So what went wrong? That closes the hoverEvent action. That closes the oh, I didn't open the text. Yeah, opening a text might be useful if you want to, close the text. And smite 5. Good. Now, oh, really? I didn't close the thing. It's not required, but I'll, do it. Color blue, hoverEvent action show text smite 5. Now, click event is action. I'm just gonna copy this action and everything from the other one and change it to 17. I'll even copy the quotation marks. Copy. clickEvent. Is that good? We'll change that to 17. And then come back. Then action run command value, give that P diamond sword 1, 0, enchantment, ID 17, level 5. And then close the action. Then I have closed text, right? Yeah, should. Hey, came out. Sharpness 5, smite 5, click it, and it gives me smite 5. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Now, also, what I added in the other one was a handy feature. Let's come back. Here. Then text is or space color white, just, you know, pretties. Then another comma, so it says this, oh, no, I need a space. Comma, space or color white. Now, if you click the, oh, I have an extra, dang it, I have an extra. Spaces always get you in this, I'll tell you. Come back, delete that space, done. Now it has created a little OR, and if you click the OR, it won't do anything until you click these. Now, you could actually, wait, did I click both of these? It'd give me both smite? No. You could also go into naming the items, but again, I'll do that video later. And also, what else? I'm told JSON, what are you talking about? This works fine. What are you talking about? No, I'm serious. It works perfectly fine. It has the clickEvent. It has the OR. I don't even know. But anyway, that's pretty much tellraw and all the specifiers and stuff for tellraw. I don't think I'm at... Oh, yeah. I'll make another one because this is going to be more simple. Tellraw at a text. This is everything. Because it has italicized is true, I think. Let me just try that. I might have even spelled italicized wrong. Yeah, I think I spelled italicized wrong. But yeah, you can have, bold, since I know how to spell that. There's bold, there's underlined, there's strikeouts, bold, underlined is true. Now slash, and then strikeout is true. I'm pretty sure it's called strikeout. No, I don't know. Yeah, it must not be strikeout. But there's a whole bunch of stuff. Look up what the other things you can add to the text is. But yeah. That's pretty much tellraw, and even a little bit of a whole bunch of specifiers for items. I will actually do a video on specifiers next, since I actually, mentioned it in this. I'll also do a videos on custom potions, maybe a video on minecart command blocks. And I will have a annotation or something, and I'll put it in the description. I learned like all of this from an awesome YouTuber named Dragnaz, so go check him out, please. That guy is awesome. He knows like everything about Minecraft and stuff. I also just use Google and Minecraft forums, so that's pretty nice too. So yeah, that is a legitimate purpose for /tellraw in an adventure map. Again, you could just do all the way over here. Everybody with a score of kill count, whatever. Actually, it's equals in this equals 200,000 now. With like 200, if somebody ever gets to that, text which enchantment would you like? Now it's not going to tell it to me because I don't have that thing. Even the thing doesn't even exist. Score would just add kill count and a stat.player kills. Ha! I went no. Stat.kill count, isn't it? Kill count. No. Stat dot. Okay. Can you just do like kill and everything? I don't even know because there's a whole bunch of stuff. So yeah. Now scoreboard player set at peak kill count 200. It'll now tell it to me because I have a kill count of 200. There's also specifiers. Seth's playing all about command blocks. Go check that out. So yeah, for the big number of time. Goodbye. That was this. I'll delete this. Press it one more time to show you. And I'll go... No, I won't go through it again. That's it. And yeah. So... Now for the 6th session, time. That was /tellraw in Minecraft. And goodbye.